Hey guys, my name is Brian and I'm a nurse in New York City. And on this channel, I'm going to be going over all the different specialties in nursing, as well as side hustles you could do in nursing, as well as interviewing people that have created wealth for themselves through nursing or while being a nurse. And in this video, I'm going to go over the reasons why I believe going into nursing is one of the best career paths you could pursue. And before we go into that, let's just have a little bit about myself. I went to a 4-year university and I got my Bachelor of Science in nursing. My first nursing job was actually working with the developmentally disabled, which I found very rewarding, but then I eventually moved on to a bigger medical center where I went into the heart failure units. And then after around 4 to 5 years, I decided to transfer into electrophysiology, which is a bigger specialty in cardiac. And now I've been a nurse for around 12 years. And to be honest, I couldn't be happier because without my nursing job, I wouldn't be able to do all the things that I'm doing today. I run 2 businesses. I've amassed about a 7-figure net worth, all while being a nurse, having a flexible schedule, and having a family. So if any of these type of things interest you, I definitely think you should consider subscribing to this channel because that's what I'm going to be talking about a lot here. Personal finances, a lot of nursing, and I'm going to do a lot of interviews with nurses that are accumulating wealth or already have done it. And on that note, let's jump into my reasons why going into nursing is a great career path. So one of the biggest reasons is the passion for helping people. And obviously that's such a cliche answer for a lot of people to think of. But when I hear people talking about their jobs, a lot of people just hate what they do. And that's what I love about nursing is because if you find the right place to work at, it is really hard to hate your job. And again, going back into helping people, it is just so rewarding to see someone get better or just to see someone heal in general. And I love this because I personally love helping people. Knowing that I'm positively impacting someone just makes me feel really good about what I'm doing. And the second biggest reason that I love nursing is because there are diverse career opportunities. And this is something that a lot of people don't understand. And this goes for nurses as well. A lot of people just think nursing is a whole bunch of just pushing meds and wiping ass, right? But that's not exactly true. There's so many different career paths. Like for me, for example, I originally worked in an intermediate care facility where we took care of developmentally disabled people, where you help them with their daily activities. You did give meds, you gave injections, you did your assessments, and you pretty much just made sure that this specific community, everyone was as healthy as they could be. And then I went to the bigger medical center where I became a heart failure nurse, and then I saw a bunch of sickness. And because heart failure is a very chronic disease, you see a lot of people deteriorate over time. Some people do get better because they're very compliant with their meds, and some people don't. And that is one of those things that I just didn't want to be in. And then I eventually transferred to the procedural area of the EP lab, electrophysiology, where you're able to actually help with procedures by either circulating, documenting, pre-op, recovery, and you're actually a part of the team that helps people get better, where they're fixing lethal rhythms of the heart with ablations, or you could be fixing heart blocks with pacemakers. But that is just my own example, but a lot of other people jump around from job to job trying to figure out what they want to do, whether it's a different type of unit, a different specialty unit. Some people go to aesthetics, and some people might go into leadership roles where they want to be managers, directors, or anything like that. And some people go to grad school where they could get their NP, they could be a nurse educator, they could be a CRNA, or even become an informatics nurse. There's an abundance of different type of nursing opportunities, and you just need to find out what is for you. You just have to find it, and I can guarantee you that there is a job out there for you. And then the biggest reason why I believe going to nursing is an amazing career path is the job security and the income. Obviously, that's why a lot of people are here, because they want to hear about the income. As a nurse in New York, the health system that I work at, a brand new grad nurse with a BSN makes around $112,000. And then as you go further with experience, you get a few $1,000s more. So with me having 12 years experience, I make around $130,000 without OT. And then obviously if you have OT, you get that time and a half, and you can make a very, very high income, close to $200,000 in New York. Whereas if you were in California, there's a lot of nurses that already make $200,000 a year. So there is an amazing income opportunity for nurses. And then also the job security is huge. In places like New York and California, there are unions where you have job stability, as well as there's just an overall nursing shortage. And the healthcare sector is so big and so wide, they're always going to need nurses. So again, job security is huge. So again, job security and high income is probably the best reason why a lot of people should go into nursing. Now, obviously, guys, it's important to note that these are just my reasons why I believe that nursing is such a great choice for everyone to potentially go into, because I know a lot of people choose nursing as a second degree because their first degree of whatever they were doing in their first job didn't really work out. They didn't really like it and they looked for something different. And a lot of people end up choosing nursing, and it's usually because of the income instability. And there is nothing wrong with chasing money and stability, especially if that's what your goals are, to have that financial stability, financial security, job security, and a way to provide for your family with a flexible schedule. But obviously, nursing is a very rewarding career, but there are a lot of challenges as well. You could potentially deal with death every day, so your emotions have to be kept in check. But obviously, there's a lot of great things in the nursing career. So let me know why you guys are thinking about going nursing or why you went into nursing. Thanks for watching. Drop some questions in the comment section below on what the next video topic should be, and I will see you guys very soon. Peace.